India has detected its first case of the deadly coronavirus in the south state of Kerala. Our correspondent Neha Punia has more.
India has joined a growing list of nations with confirmed coronavirus outbreaks. In India, the first case coming to light in the southern state of Kerala, where a student has tested positive. She had recently returned from China, where she was studying at the Wuhan University. The government says she's stable as of now, but is being closely monitored. She's also currently in quarantine as well. It's significant that Kerala is where the first case has been reported in India because of late, in the recent weeks, the government there had put about 170 people under observation with suspected exposure to this virus. The government's also issued an advisory asking people who return from China in the days ahead to put themselves under quarantine at their homes and also to report any symptoms that they might see. There's obviously panic here on the ground in Delhi, especially where 3 people were admitted recently to hospitals with suspected symptoms of the virus. No one's tested positive here yet, but people are worried and they're calling on the government to do more.
A virus like this, which has claimed so many lives throughout the world, hitting our nation at this point of time is obviously very troublesome.
The government should carry out a mass outreach program to educate citizens. It's important that we do everything we can to prevent more deaths.
The Indian government has stepped up its response mechanism. It's now screening people at about 20 airports in the country instead of the 13 where thermal screening stations were set up till just last week. The government says about 30,000 people have been screened at various airports. It's keeping a close eye on major ports as well as people who are entering India from its border with Nepal, where a few cases have also been reported. The government's issued an advisory asking people to avoid all kinds of non-essential travel to China, and if they have recently returned from China, they must report to the closest hospital to them in case they see any symptoms like the cold, cough or flu. And the government says that so far there's no reason to panic. It's closely monitoring the situation. It's recently reviewed the health setup in the country, and it says that all hospitals are ready and on standby to deal with a mass outbreak if at all that does happen. But right now the government says the situation in India at least is under control. Neha Punia, SABC News, New Delhi.